Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am excited to introduce a new subscription box to my channel. It's not a new subscription box, but it's new on my channel, and that is the FabFitFun subscription box. Now, for those of you who don't know, this subscription box is about $49 every, I think it's quarterly, so it's like seasonal, so you get one in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. But let's go ahead and open up this box. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do a first impression, I don't know what's in here, but I'm really excited because I've been looking forward to this box and it is finally here. So let's go ahead and crack open this box. Alright, I do apologize if it's noisy in the background. For some reason the neighborhood dogs are just barking today. I don't know why. But let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's see if I can show you the inside. That's what it looks like. Alright, the first thing I see is the FabFit magazine. It has, I believe, everything in it, but I'm going to wait to look at that until I start looking at the items. And then, it says just some little goodies here. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Pretty packaged pretty nicely. Oh man, got a lot of goodies. Alright, so I'm going to have the pamphlet down here. Alright, so the first thing I see is this Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. The packaging is really pretty. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what it is. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that. It's a really big bottle of dry shampoo. Alright, so it looks like on the magazine here, or whatever you want to call this, I could have either gotten the jewelry portfolio, the dry shampoo, or a silver circle necklace. Those are the options right there. And the dry shampoo is $44. Wow, that is a lot of money for dry shampoo. I hope this stuff is good. I would test it out, but I just washed my hair, so I don't think I would really be able to say if it worked or not because my hair is already clean. But let's go ahead and move on. I'm really happy to have received that. I'm excited to try that out. Alright, next thing in here is 2 essential oils. This packaging here, it looks like Eucalyptus, if I said that right, and sweet orange, which that's really cool. I'm going to open this up. I don't think I said the brand. The brand is Elevate. Elevate? Is that the brand? I'm guessing. I'm not really for sure. But let's go ahead and pull these out. Ooh, they're wrapped. I mean, they're wrapped pretty well. I do appreciate that. They kind of, just in case anything happened to the box, I guess, that the bottles wouldn't break. So, there's the sweet orange. And then the Eucalyptus. Ooh, that smells good. And the sweet orange. Sweet orange doesn't have as much product as the other one did, but that's nothing too bad. Ooh, that smells like oranges, alright. I don't know what I was expecting, but... Alright, so I could have gotten the essential oils or a body cream. These are my 2 options, and this is the one I got. And the price is $31. Wow. I mean, I guess that's expected because essential oils are pretty pricey. And it says 100% natural essential oils, so that is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the box. I don't use essential oils that often, but I have a lot of friends and family members that do, so I may go ahead and pass these on to them, just because I'm one of those people that if I know I'm not going to use it, I'd rather pass it on than keep it, because, I don't know, I like to give things to people, so I'm going to probably do that. Next up is Thrive Causemetics, and this is a highlighting stick. Alright, let me pull it out of the packaging. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and swatch it. It's a very subtle, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's right there. I think it's kind of washing it out. You can kind of see it. It's not very bright. I mean, it's a little bit, but it's not. Oh yeah, I can see it. That's pretty. I like that. I will be using this, and I've never heard of this brand before. So that's cool. Let's see. Alright, so I'm just looking at the top here, and it says, I guess with the certain shades, like the blue, I didn't know this, the blue, the light blue here, that is something that all of the members, subscription members will receive. The purple is only select members get to customize these options in their box. And then the lighter purple, which I'm assuming is this side, all members get the chance to customize these options. So that's pretty cool. But so everyone received one of these highlighting sticks. Oh, and the price of that highlighting stick is $24. Alright, next thing is another item that everyone received, and that is the Ahava, I don't know if I'm saying that right, hydrating cream mask. Oh, it's packaged. It's got a little plastic thing around it. I wanted to open it and smell it. Okay. Oh gosh, I just put my whole face into it. Okay, I'm not really for sure what this smells like. I don't know, it doesn't smell bad, but I can't like pinpoint the scent. But this is enriched with minerals, spring, vitamins, shea butter, and vitamins E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. And this is retailed for $33. Alright, next thing I see, oh my, that's a big, when I saw it in the box, I just saw like this half of it, and then pulled it out, and it's huge, the big box. And this is a treatment mask for your hair. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. And I think the brand, oh gosh, I'm not even going to try to say that brand. Because I know I will butcher it. But let's open it up. And okay, I could have received the hair mask right there, or the gloves and ear warmers. And this is priced for $49. Dang. This is basically what I paid for the box. I think they do charge shipping, but I think it was like only $4 or something. But still, this is basically the price of what I paid for the box. Oh wow, that's like stuck to the top. Oh geez. Okay, so don't know. Oh wow, that smells really good. Oh wow, that smells really good. But this, it says, seal split ends, strengthen hair, and make your tresses more manageable with this fortifying blend of argan oil and keratin components. And it also, on the magazines, which is helpful, it has like little tips on the bottom. So this one, after shampooing, leave mask and hair for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse. Moving on. Next thing I see, ooh, good. I did see some spoilers, and I did see a couple of videos on YouTube of what were in the boxes, but like I said, I didn't really know what I was getting because I didn't look. But I was hoping to receive this, and this is the Bite Beauty lipstick. It's a very pretty box. Oh man, this is in there. Okay, get out. Oh, there we go. And let's see where this is. Okay, so I could have received, this is what I received up here, but I could have received these body sliders or the coasters. But this retails for $26, and it is a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. Jeez, this won't open. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and cream wear. Ooh. It's an interesting shade. It's very pretty. And I always like nudes, so I'm excited to wear this and try this out. Hopefully it'll look okay on me. Interesting packaging. Kind of looks like a lipstick of itself. Alright, that is fun. Now, this is the only product in the box that I customized. All the others I left to them to pick for me. But this is the Pure Be Yourself eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $36. Let me go ahead and pull it out of the box so we can look. I like the packaging on this. See my camera will focus? It's really pretty. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is all up my alley. Whoa. Look at those. Very neutral, but we got about 4 mattes and 4 shimmer shades. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple. Okay, I think I'm gonna swatch this one. This one, they feel really creamy. Maybe this one. So, there's 3 of them. I don't know, I don't always judge by swatches, but they didn't feel bad. And it didn't have a lot of kickback, so that's good. I'm excited to try these out. I've got 2 more products in here. This product is the eye masks. And it is by Blaq, I don't know. But let me go ahead and open them up. So you guys can see the price value on this is $29. And you receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packets in there. That's what they look like. And this is something that all members receive. It says is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refresh look. So that's cool. And last but not least, we have this blanket here, which is by Mark and Graham, personalized gift. It feels pretty soft. It's not super soft, but I mean, it's not rough. I think everyone receives a blanket, but you could have either gotten the gray shade or this kind of tan shade, and they are $49. And I think that is everything in my box. Yes, so yeah, I am super happy with everything I received. I am excited to try out a lot of these products. But yeah, that is everything that I received in my FabFitFun subscription box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like seeing these types of videos. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!